Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2021 CFMOTO CForce 600 Touring ATV. This ATV only has 400 miles on it. It is offered for $64.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. These CFMOTO ATVs are amazing because they have a ton of features on it that you would have to get pay for as extra on the Japanese models, such as alloy wheels, automotive paint, second passenger seat for two-up riding, cleats in the footboards to keep you steady, comes standard with four-wheel drive or rear lock differential, comes standard with a winch. This thing is just amazing. Also they come standard with power steering, high-low gear, hand guards up front. There's your winch controls, your digital display. These things are just amazing. And in the back, of course, you have independent rear suspension, storage, and this one even has an extra rack on the back. The the ATV's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change and a safety check on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide finance as well as an extended warranty. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned vehicles just like this one.